Alright, today I want to show you how to create a simple key tag using Inkscape. Alright, so for a start, I want to create a box, a rectangular box around this shape. I can use this to form the size. I can use this to circle to change the shape. Now for me, I like it to be a bit curved, so I do it this way. Now, in order for me to insert the hole for the key change, I'm going to use this. This size is about, make it about 4 mm by 4 mm, of 4 mm. Okay, and then I want to position it. Let me just use this, position it somewhat in the center. Now I'm going to use a few different design. For a start, I'm going to use the lettering, Queens. Oh, okay, so I can select it. Uh, I can position it slightly lower, and then I want to change the font something more interesting, do something more interesting. Let me try this. Yep. Okay, now if I intend to create engravement, so I will go to fill and stroke. I make sure the fill is flat color. I'm going to use flat color. Okay, I'm going to use flat color. Okay, and then the stroke style, I make sure the width is 0 mm. Now when the width is 0 mm and it's filled, the laser printer will assume that it is going to be engraved. All right, now the secondary school, I will change a different font. So I try here, secondary school. Okay, and again I want to change the font to something a bit more interesting. Okay, now for this, I'm going to position it slightly lower, somewhat here. Now this, I intend the laser cutter to cut a hole through it. So I'm going to fill and stroke. Now for fill, I will deselect, okay, and then deselect it, paint in order to see. I just choose this. Now the stroke width, as long as it's more than 0.025 mm, the laser cutter will assume that it is going to be cut off. Okay, so done. That's done. Okay, the word is a bit unclear. So what I intend to do is that I will go to fill and stroke. I change the thickness to 0.2. Okay. Yep. So that's what I will do. Now, okay, so that is going to be something a bit more interesting. Now the circle is a little bit too big now that I think of. Now that I observe, I'm going to change the size again. Um, okay, I'm going to change it to 4 mm. Okay, by 4 mm, make it, oopsie, undo it, undo, transform, undo. Okay, there you are. Okay, I'm going to change the size. Yeah, it's 4 by 4. Okay, then I undo. Oh man, I undo again. Okay, never mind. There you are. Okay, I'm gonna remove undo. Okay, so this, I'll select it again. Let me check. I want to change it to 4 by 4. Now it's 8. Okay, something 8. Okay, I'm gonna change it to 4 by 4. Yep, and then it's 4 mm hole. So then I want to position it somewhat here. Okay, so there you have it. A simple, a simple tutorial on how to make simple key tag.